think the dolphins are out. Just saw them. Where'd they go? Whoa. Where'd they go? Got that guy doing something with monkey. Pretty cool. Really windy day. Great day for surf sailing. I'd like to find the dolphins. They're right here. Now I can't find them. Pretty rough there. The dolphins are gone. That guy's really doing enough to sail. Okay, well, let's see the dolphins. Come on this side. Pretty rough today. No boats, that's for sure. Uh-oh. Okay, well. We're gonna sign off for now.